and I want to show you a trade I entered on pound USD today. Today is the Monday, the 20th of March 2023. So this is on price. The strategy is actually on price, previous high and low. All right, so we are taking our trades of the buyers given us by the previous day's high or low. So the previous day for Monday is the Friday before. All right, so the Friday before's high and low is what we are looking to see how price reacts over there. So just from a cursory observation, you do realize that price opened in its opening hour, it's broke through. So there are one of two things that could happen. Price could continue going upward or take out that liquidity from last week and then just keep going down. But I don't take any trade until either the London session or the New York session. All right, but this particular trade was taken within the New York session. So I'm going straight to the 5-minute chart where I take all entries to show you the thoughts behind it. All right, great. So during the London session, we are having price opening range at this point. So I think for this particular trade, I was a bit faked out, not faked out, a bit taken off my game because for a moment there I was expecting sells. See this bearish, bullish, bearish. I was expecting some sort of retracement of a sort, some sort of retest of a sort at this level and then come down. But price just kept going, retest kept going. So now I knew that I should be looking for longs. All right, I should be looking for buys. So the first obvious entry for me was this particular one, a huge bearish bullish and then a retest just on that line. All right, so I was tempted to take an entry here, but because it was outside my kill zone times, which is 7 to 10 a.m. and then 12 to 3 p.m., I decided to wait and see what happens with price. So price moved without me. That was actually a clean, I believe it was a clean 1, 2, 3 on that. Yes, it was. Yes, it was a clean 1, 2, 3 on that. So that would have been a perfect trade. I would close for the day, but I didn't take that. So I was waiting for 12 to see what happened. So at 12, I'm seeing a bullish, bearish, bullish order block here. So this is a zone of interest for me already. All right. And then price has come back to retest. So when I saw the retest here with a very long wick upwards, I was like, yeah, it's time to get in. So my entry was here. My stop loss was about 11 pips, I think. Yes, about 11 pips. So let me just leave it at that. And then 33 pips makes 1 to 3. Yeah. So very simply, this was the trade I took. Another simple 1, 2, 3. Just basing it off price bouncing of the previous day's high. So it breaks through, bounces of the previous day's high, and then it tells me that price could go higher. Another thing that could be a confluence for other traders, especially those who have who employ Fibonacci levels, is this. I realized this much after the trade that this would have given me greater confidence, especially with this first bit of the trade. So with this, all right, with this I could have been able to tell if I used this earlier. I'd have been able to tell that okay, price had given a long push up that broke this previous high of a sort, and then has come back to retest the the 0.618 level. All right, and so it is more likely that it will go up because it's below 50% now. So there's a premium area to be looking for longs, to be looking for buys. So even with a simple trade, maybe no stress, you just want to go with what market presents, you would have still given you a 1 2 3. All right, would have still given you a 1 2 3. So yeah, this is added confluence for me to have taken this trade here. To have taken this trade here and have it even with the same, take profits would have been 1 to 5. The reason why I prefer to take, the smaller ones as opposed to the huge. Let me just put that there. As opposed to a huge one here is because of the stop losses. So you do realize that this has a stop loss of about 17 pips, and this has a stop loss of, what was it now? 7 pips or 6.6. So let's say 7 pips. So such a wide range. So for the same move, this would have given someone 3.31, and then this would have given another person 5.47. They say 1% risk. Yes, so that is why I personally look to have tighter entries, and then with this also 3. So basically, this is the trade I took, and I just wanted to share. God bless. See you later.